In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external guests to a Microsoft Teams meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to make sure your guests get a clear, usable invite. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app, then head to the calendar. You'll find it on the left-hand side. The calendar is where all your scheduled meetings live, and it's the best place to create a meeting with the right details so your external guests receive a proper invitation. Next, look for the New Meeting button, usually near the top right. Click it to open the meeting setup window. This is where you'll set everything up in one go. If you see other options like Meet Now, ignore those for this process. New Meeting is what generates a formal invite for outside participants. Now fill in the meeting details. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title so guests know what the call is about at a glance. Choose the date and time and confirm the time zone. This is especially important when your guests are in different regions. You can adjust the duration and, if needed, set it as recurring. In the description box, add a brief agenda or any context your guests need to prepare. Keep it concise but helpful. If there are documents your guests should review beforehand, mention them here and let guests know how they'll receive those materials. With your details in place, add your external guests by typing their full email addresses in the invite field. Press enter after each one to add them to the list. You can invite multiple people this way. Teams will recognize addresses outside your organization and treat them as guests, which is expected. Double check spelling here. One mistyped character means someone won't receive the invite. When everything looks good, send the meeting. Your external guests will receive an email with the meeting title, date and time, and a join link. They can join from the Teams app or directly in a web browser without installing anything. If they're new to Teams, let them know they may see a brief prompt to allow microphone and camera. Depending on your organization's settings, guests might wait in a lobby until you admit them, which is normal. And that's it. Go to the calendar, create a new meeting, add your details, and invite guests by email. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.